Introducing Komprise Smart Data Workflows. The Komprise Intelligent Data Management Platform takes an analytics-first approach to unstructured data management and mobility, allowing you to right-place your data to save more on storage while also increasing the long-term value from your data. Smart Data Workflows extends the features of the Komprise Global File Index and Deep Analytics Actions with new capabilities to automate the process of finding, tagging, and delivering file and object data to cloud data services and big data analytics platforms. Komprise Smart Data Workflows are relevant across many sectors. Here's a few examples. You can search and curate by defining and executing custom queries across on-premises, edge, and cloud data silos to find all the data for a given project with the Komprise Deep Analytics and the Komprise Global File Index. Next, you can execute and enrich. Execute external functions, such as cloud machine learning, to run image recognition, natural language processing, or identify sensitive data, and then store these results as tags within the Komprise Global File Index to enrich the dataset. Next, you can cull and extract. Further refine the dataset by filtering the Deep Analytics query with the resulting tags. For example, you may then want to move the data tagged as sensitive to restricted storage, or move data to a data lake for AI and ML analysis. Finally, manage the data lifecycle by continuing to optimize by moving data to a lower storage tier for cost savings once analysis is complete. And as new data arrives, the workflow automatically runs again. With Komprise Smart Data Workflows, you can define and execute a process with as many of these steps as needed in any sequence. Komprise Global File Index and Smart Data Workflows together reduce the time it takes to find, enrich, and move the right unstructured data by up to 80%. Now let's illustrate a use case with an external cloud data service. The Komprise Data Management Service runs as a SaaS offering with the ability to manage multiple sites and multiple sources of unstructured data, both on-premises and in the cloud. Data owners, not just storage admins, can use the Komprise Deep Analytics interface to create queries to search the Komprise Global File Index for specific data sets over these many unstructured data sources. In this example, I've created a query to find documents belonging to the HR group in the Atlanta data center. This refines our data set from petabytes down to terabytes of exactly the data that I want to analyze in the cloud. Now let's create a Komprise plan to replicate this data to the cloud for analysis. On the Plan tab, I've created a plan called Data Analysis. I've also created a group called Atlanta HR Docs. Within this group, I'm creating a copy plan, keying off of the Atlanta HR Docs Deep Analytics query to replicate or copy this data to my bucket in Amazon for tagging. Komprise will now copy your data to the cloud in native format, where you can access it in your Amazon bucket, or you can also use Microsoft Azure. We can now use external data analytics via the Komprise API. Examples include data services like Azure Machine Learning, AWS Macie, SageMaker, or any analytics application that can output to JSON or CSV format. The results are ingested to the Komprise Global File Index in the form of tags where they can refine the DAA query. Now returning to the Komprise Deep Analytics tab, we can create a new query where we're selecting for the tag we've created called sensitive data equals true. With this set, we can see we have 92 files that were found by our external data analytics service to contain sensitive data. Now we can return to our Plan tab and add a move feature to our data management plan that will act on our tagged data from our DAA query. You can set up Komprise Smart Data Workflows for continuous data management and mobility. As new data is added to shares that match the values in the query, Komprise systematically applies actions based on your data management or policy plan. Komprise Smart Data Workflows gives customers the power to take control of massive unstructured datasets, search, mobilize, and leverage best-of-breed data analytics and AI/ML services to drive more value from data. For more information, visit komprise.com.